welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's makeup tutorial. We're going to be getting into this green smoky eye, so if you want to see how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that little notification bell, that way you get notified anytime that I make a new upload. So let's go ahead and jump right into this look. I'm going to start off by priming the eyes using the KVD Beauty Long Wear Pomade in shade Lemmy Green. I'm going to apply this all over the lid and kind of drag it to the outer corner. I'm doing like a winged kind of smoky look today, so I want to make sure to place this exactly where I want my eyeshadows to go. I'm using a fluffy brush to apply this as well, so that way I get a nice smooth blend on the edges before I go in with shadows. I definitely wanted to use a green base for this look because I really wanted these eyeshadows to be super vibrant and like really like pop out at you. So I'm going to add that onto the lid, blend it into the outer corner and crease, and also on the lower lash line. So this eye look is super easy and really simple. I only use 2 eyeshadows to get this look, and they're both from the Be Perfect Cosmetics x Stacy Marie Carnavel 3 palette. The first green shadow that I'm going in with is called Tropics. It's the lighter of the 2, and we're gonna apply that all over the lid and onto the crease, pretty much exactly where we applied that green eyeshadow base. I'm gonna be switching between a couple of different brushes, a small smudgy type brush to get into the lower lash line. I'm gonna use a more dense type of brush for the lid, and then I'll go in with the fluffier brush for the crease to blend out the edges. And now I'm going in with my second shadow. I'm using the color Forest from the same palette, and I'm going to start applying that onto the lid and the outer corner. This one's a little bit darker than our first green eyeshadows. It's going to give the look a little bit of extra depth. One of the reasons why I love this look so much is that it's super easy, but it has so much like drama to it, and you can do this with any color that you want. I decided to do green today because I've been obsessed with this super bright shade of green, and I had this red hair, so it was giving me like poison ivy vibes, if you feel me. So I decided to do green, but you can honestly do like purple, you can do pink, blue, whatever would have you. As long as you have 2 good eyeshadows and a good eyeshadow primer, you are good to go. So that's it, guys. That's it for the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with some liner next. I'm using the Too Faced Killer Liner in the shade Cashmere, and we're gonna pop that onto the waterline. You guys know how much I love a beige on the waterline. It just kind of like brightens the eyes, keeps them nice and open, especially when you have like these super dramatic colors going on. Sometimes it can make your eyes look smaller, and I already have like small little eyes, so I just like to, you know, keep things bright on the waterline there. So I'm gonna go in with my liner, and then I'll add my mascara. I'm also using one from Too Faced. This is their Better Than Sex mascara. So I'm going to apply that onto the top and bottom lashes. I'm actually going to go in with the one extra eyeshadow, but this one is from the Playing in Makeup by Yolando x Beauty by Melissa Artistry Vault palette. You guys have seen me like use this palette a gazillion times. It's one of my favorites. There's just so many beautiful colors in here. But I'm going to mix these 2 shades together called Wow and Don't Be Cheap, and apply those onto the inner corner for my highlight. Just to keep like the texture really cohesive with the eyes, we have like a matte shadow going on with the lid, so I wanted to use matte on the inner corner. Last up for the eyes, I'm just going to pop on my falsies. I'm using these lashes from Crystal Lashes. I love this brand so much. I use their lashes all the time. This is the style Wicked. I'm going to apply those using some tweezers and just make sure to press them together with my natural lashes so there's no like gap or skin showing in between. So you guys let me know that you've been loving these eye focus tutorials. So I went ahead and did my skin off camera. So I'm gonna jump to what I did for the lips. The liners that I'm using today are from Makeup Forever. These are their artist color pencils in Versatile Chestnut and Limitless Brown. I'm going in with Versatile Chestnut first since it's the lighter one of the two. We're gonna line using that and then just make sure to fill in the inner corner so that way when you go in with your lipstick and everything, it all blends in super easy. And then I'll go in with my darker one, which is Limitless Brown on the very outer edge. To fill in the lips, I'm also using a lipstick from Makeup Forever. This is their Rouge Artist lipstick in shade Bold Cinnamon. It's a cute little peachy nude color right up my alley. So I'm gonna apply that right after I'm done lining. And then for gloss today, I opted to use the BH Cosmetics So Extra Lip Gloss. And this one is in shade Rowdy. And that pretty much completes this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. I love the way that this look came out. I actually wore it out to get some dinner that night and I got so many compliments on this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely let me know what you think down below in the comments. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Tag me on Instagram if you decide to recreate this look. I love seeing you guys' recreations on Instagram. It's literally makes my heart all warm and fuzzy inside. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I love you and hopefully I will see you in the next one.